The V&A Waterfront Canal Cruise in Cape Town offers a scenic and convenient way to explore the city's waterfront and foreshore areas. Operated by City Sightseeing, this hop-on, hop-off boat tour navigates the tranquil canals connecting key landmarks, providing both leisure and practical transportation. The cruise features several convenient stops along the canal route at the Cape Town International Convention Center, the Harbour Bridge Hotel and Suites, the City Lodge Hotel, V&A Waterfront, and One&Only Hotel near the Two Oceans Aquarium and main shopping areas. The duration is approximately 20 minutes per loop, and the ticket validity works as an all-day pass with unlimited hop-on, hop-off access. The operating hours are daily from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.